There's something so comforting about homemade pickles, right? So today we're making three Indian favorites: Mooli ka achar, Gobhi Gajar Achar and mixed veg achar. So we'll first start with Mooli ka achar. For this, wash, chop and dry the radish pieces completely. They must be moisture free. Now in a bowl, add the radish, red chili powder, turmeric, mustard powder, chopped green chilies, carom seeds and salt to taste. Now pour in some white vinegar and mustard oil, but don't use raw oil. Now heat it up, let it cool and then add it to the pickle. Now mix everything well and your radish pickle is ready. It tastes even better after 2 days when all the flavors soak in, perfect with roti, paratha or rice. Now for the tangy Gobhi Gajar Achar. For this, in a grinder, blend ginger, garlic and onions into a fine paste. Now in a saucepan, cook vinegar and jaggery until it turns into a thick syrup. Now parboil the carrots and cauliflower for about 7 to 8 minutes. In another pan, heat mustard oil, add the onion paste and cook till the raw smell disappears. Now add red chili powder, salt and garam masala and then mix in the parboiled veggies. Now pour in the vinegar jaggery syrup and add yellow mustard seeds. Mix everything well, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Now store in a clean airtight glass jar and enjoy that sweet, spicy, tangy flavor. And finally the classic mixed veg achar. For this, wash, peel and chop all your veggies. Make sure they're dry. Now lightly roast your dry spices, grind them into a fine powder. Now heat mustard oil, add grated ginger and garlic and saute for a minute. Next add the veggies, spices and seasoning and mix everything well so the flavors soak in beautifully. Now let it cool and then store in a dry airtight jar. And there you have it, a crunchy, tangy, homemade mixed veg achar. 3 pickles, 3 flavors and 1 secret, pure homemade love. Which one's your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.